the flying ship company proven Soviet-era ekranoplan technology following principle of ground effect. Its unmanned shipping vehicle which fly just on water. The patent flying ships was pending from 21st century aerodynamics. It will decrease vehicle cost and improves fuel efficiency. It's electric-powered and 30 feet long, remotely operated within maritime land. SKYDRIVE is a startup that develops and operates flying cars. It's the new manned vehicle SD-03. Its ability to take off and landing vertically. It has traveling speed 60 km per hour and a mileage of 20 to 30 km. The OVERBOAT gives the impression of being flying on water. It has a 60% reduction in energy requirement as only the hydro tolls in legs and water once boat has taken off. The electric motor with a direct drive consumes 3 times less energy than heat engine. The battery has a life of 2 hours at 11 knots. Yamaha is the company behind this experimental proof of concept model. Innovative concept is a trolley-powered air train.
arrow powered by a trolley includes a body with propellers for vertical and horizontal movement. It also uses a chassis and a telescopic rod with a swing mechanism. The IEV series is futuristic robotic vehicle. It can change size based on needs. It has record-breaking width of 78 centimeters. It also can be operated by mobile application.
Aircar, a dual-mode car-craft vehicle, is now closer to production. It's the world's first flight of flying car between two airports. It needs 300 meters runway before lifting off at around 120 kilometers per hour. It has completed 40 hours of test flight. Flying at 8,200 feet and 45% engine power, reaching a speed 170 km per hour. After landing, by click one button it converts into a sports car. WEPED is a Korean company that produce fast electric scooter. All models can reach speed of 73 km per hour. Some can even get to 120 km per hour.